So, out today to try out my new Dji Neo 2, see how it is in follow me mode, down a couple of green lanes, which I haven't been down before, so we'll see how we both perform, I guess. Well, this is the first lane, and as you can probably see, it's very golf orientated, so I didn't bother stopping here because I didn't want to annoy anybody or get a golf ball to the ribs, so I carried on a bit further. Right, this is where it could all go wrong. I haven't read the manual, haven't touched any of the settings apart from on follow me, didn't worry about height or distance, could all be carnage, but let's give it a go. Straight away you'll notice an almost elastic band type towing effect, but once you get a steady speed up, it follows you quite well.
Low angle. Flat.
Just chuck a U here. I don't know how it works out, what it's going to do. So after that success, we've moved to the next lane. It's quite a long lane. Still in follow me mode, and we'll give it a go, see what happens. One thing I did realise early on is that I should have had my phone not in my pocket but on the handlebar, but it was too late, so I could have kept an eye on it. As you see, I have to keep looking around, a bit nervous that I'm going to lose it, because there's no way of finding the Neo after it's crashed, which it does, so that's a bit of a worry. I think you'd be better off with somebody behind the Neo as a spotter. Because of the colour of the Neo, sometimes it's hard to see, so hence I stopped to make sure it is still following me. Could do with it being luminous. I may put some stickers on it to make it a bit more visible, which would be handy when it is laying in a bush, which it did later on. This is where I get a little bit cocky and went off piste just to see how it followed me, and it seems to have seem to do quite well. All in all, it's pretty good. Happy with it so far. Gotta say, what a cracking lane. Absolutely fantastic lane. I have to say, how it's missing some of these little branches. Very good. I mean, look how close it gets to this. Look at that. That's good. That's a good bit of kit. Now, rightly or wrongly, getting a little bit cocky with it now. I've changed the settings to be in front. With the hand gesture, get it to the front and then move the drone away slightly. Let's see what happens. In some instances, on some of the bends, it gets so close to some of these trees, it's quite frightening. You end up not really looking where you're going, but trying to steer the drone by your movements. So almost going off track just to drag it over like I did then. But seems to be doing really well at the moment. This is definitely not foolproof though, as you'll see in a second, as it gets a bit tangled up and eventually it does crash to the floor, but no damage, no dramas. Thought I'd have a go trying to keep it a little bit closer after that little tumble. But it's quite off-putting having it that close. And again, you're concentrating on the drone, not where you're going. And it was reasonably slippery. Got that elastic band effect again. But once you get a steady speed, it's not too bad. sent it away. Little catch there on the twigs. Trying to get a little bit of speed up now, but as we all know, with speed comes collisions. And the drone seems to stop recording almost as soon as it crashes, which it did obviously then. Again, no dramas, things so light, it's quite well protected. So all good to go. Playing hide and seek now. Oh, there you are. I think I must have left the settings on front because it's trying to get to the front of me and crash. Right, that's it from me. Thanks for coming along for the Neo test, Neo 2. A lot to learn, I think, but all in all, very good bit of kit. Give us a comment and a like. And if you're a real devil, a subscribe. Bye for now.